So back up on the road today, just got a little track to put on another machine, but this cat come over from Vancouver Island. It's going to work up in the next section in the rock. It's could be from the 1970s, maybe later 70s, international TD25, a D8 size. Rough rails, are pretty worn, maybe 25%. Sprocket's not bad. 3-shank parallelogram Attico ripper, 1 shank in it. Somebody's blue company colors on the screens. My hard hat. Lots of room on deck. Power shift. Safety. Oh, that's neat. Huh. That's cool. And there we have it. I'll try and get a video of this in a couple of weeks or so when it's working. It's going to do a bunch of rock ripping and pushing. Not for a while. And there's a stepped master link.